Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fantastic today. So in this video, I'm gonna talking about how I practice English every single day, what I do every day. So I follow different kind of techniques every day for learning English. So you can also follow this kind of technique. So today, just I will share with you some things. If you follow that, you can learn English easily, and also you can speak English easily. That will be very helpful for you, and especially for the beginner level students, for the beginner level, my brothers and my dear sisters. So what I do every day for learning English, for speaking English, especially every day I read different kind of books. So you can read different kind of books every day for learning English. Like you can read story books, you can read motivational books, you can read easy book that is for children. So you can read children's book. It's very easy. And when you will read the children books, you can learn so many things, especially for the weak students, for the weak my brothers and sisters. I suggest you, so don't buy different kind of book from online or different kind of site. So I will say that it's enough if you study children's book, especially class 1 to class 10. Class 1 to class 10. In this book, there are so many sentences is available, phrases is available, basic vocabulary is available. But you have to find out this kind of vocabulary, and you have to practice with this kind of sentences. If you do that, you can learn English, you can speak English as well. So when I get free times, I try to study class 1 to class 10 books. It's very helpful for me if I study this kind of books, and I get so many knowledge from this kind of book. And especially when I study, thus I try to underline the new words. Especially when I get the new words, I try to underline, and I separate the word, and I try to write so many sentences with this word, and I try to say with my loud voice. Loudly I say sentences. What sentence I made, I practice. I say loudly. So it helps me a lot when I practice. So it's very helpful for you also. So you can practice as well, and it will be also practice for you. And besides, that is more important, you have to listening. So how much time do you have to listen for learning English? I think it's enough if you listen 2 hours, 3 hours per day. So if you are very crazy for success for learning English, so you have to at least 3 hours per day. So I try to listen English 3 hours per day. It's very helpful for me. If you listen English 3 hours per day, the English sentence, English word, automatically it will comes out to your mouth. Okay, comes out. You don't have to say, it will comes out to your mouth, from your mouth. So you have to listen. So I told you so many times what type of listening you have to listen. You have to listen easy English story or easy English video. That is, you understand 90%. 90% you understand that type of video, you have to listen. If you wanna get the benefit, so you have to listen that kind of video. So many times we are watching advanced video, but we are not understanding. So I think I will say that you are wasting your time. So try to listen very easy English story video, and listen speakers, so you can also learn something new from that kind of video. And whenever you will get the new vocabulary, try to underline and make different kind of sentence with the word, with the phrasal verb, with the linking word. That will be more helpful for you. And another thing, lastly, I will say that what you have learned, you try to say front of the camera. That is very important. All time I say that try to say front of the camera, because you don't have partner, you don't have brothers, sisters, or friends with whom you will share with your feelings, you will share with your English. So that kind of people, it is not available in your area, in your site, in your near. So you have to practice front of the camera. It's your partner, it's your audience, it's your everything. So make your partner of your camera. So make sure to know how is the video and the information was very important or not. So if you find this information was very helpful for everyone and especially helpful for you, so never ever forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I'll see you very soon with another topic. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.